Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today. This chapter is related to the various kinds of flags which we see of various countries. Now in this chapter you have to identify the flags and then write the answers for the same. So let's begin with the chapter. The question says that name the countries to which the following flags belong with the help of help desk. And let's now just begin with the exercise. Let's begin with the first flag, and the first flag is of our country, India. Then the next flag is of Canada, which bears a maple leaf. If you want to identify the other flag, it has a lion which is holding a sword. This is of Sri Lanka. The next is of Germany with the horizontal stripes black, red and yellow. Next is another along with a sword and something written in their language, green flag, that is it belongs to Saudi Arabia. Then we have a France flag. This flag belongs to France with vertical lines blue, white and red. The next flag belongs to Nepal. Next flag belongs to South Africa. It shows this yellow like structure in their flag. Then the ninth flag is of Turkey. It shows a 5-pointed star along with a crescent moon on the red base. Next flag is of United States of America. Then on the 11th we have the flag of Russia with horizontal lines, 3 lines, first white, second blue and third the red one. The last image is of another flag, a neighboring country of our country, and that is Pakistan with a moon along with a star. So this is about the various flags of various countries. Very easy to identify them and recognize them. Let's see the your answer please. The your answer please says that what is the color of your country's flag? And we all know the color of our flag is orange, white and green with a Ashok Chakra on it. What is the significance of those colors? Now this question is for you children. Answer the question. What does each color symbolize? Write your answer in the book itself. Then the quick fact, let's read it quickly. This says that North America is the third largest continent in the world. So North America is the third largest continent in this world. Look out for the answer for which is the first largest and the second largest continent in this world. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.